All right, good morning everyone. My name is Jacinta and I'm the Director of First Year Studies in Physics. And I'll be looking after you if you take Physics first year this year. I just, quick show of hands, really quick. Who's thinking of doing Physics this year? Awesome, excellent, welcome. Who's definitely not doing Physics? Yeah. That's fairly common. Who's sitting on the fence? Yeah, a few people. Okay, I'm here to convince the people who put their hands up in the middle or at the end, okay? So I just want to show you a few things that are a few reasons as to why you might choose Physics. One of the reasons is that at the end of last year, we got a massive grant to build a dark matter detector in country Victoria, in a gold mine. So, and that project will go on for quite a while, so that might be something that you start to think about this year and actually become a part of in a couple of years' time. Okay, so Physics. And then there's all the other subjects. Why, if you're thinking of majoring in biology, should you do Physics? Okay, here are just a few of the projects that we've got running here. Money's really important. We don't want to use forged money because we get into trouble. So you might be working with chemistry and finance and IT about how to make sure that you haven't got a forged $10 note in your pocket. Big data. John just spoke about big data, sexiest people in the world apparently. Climate change. If anyone was looking at the media over the summer, we know this is a big problem. So Physics is definitely a part of that and can combine that with earth sciences and so on. FRIO2 is a special project we've got going where we're looking at how to create oxygen supply without electricity so that we can provide this oxygen for babies with pneumonia who live in very remote places that don't have a constant supply of oxygen or electricity. The bionic eye, let's chuck a diamond in an eye and allow people who were born blind to be able to see. Okay, so you might be combining that with geology and engineering. MRI. We know about putting people in MRI, but how about biological samples so that we can nut down and really understand what's going there at an atomic level? Talked about little things. What about really big things? Let's look at the universe. Let's maybe produce our own spacecraft called the Skyhopper. There's a big project happening there as well. And quantum computing. This is not science fiction anymore. This is for real. So our third year and fourth year students actually learn how to program a quantum computer, okay, and actually program the IBM quantum computer. I find that pretty awesome. So there's lots of options out there. Lots of options if you're planning on doing Physics, lots of options if you're maybe thinking about it or haven't thought about it before. Okay, so you're probably at the Physics. Physics is all about knowledge and imagination. You're probably at the learning and understanding. You've done that if you studied physics in high school. You've probably shown and applied a lot of the theories that you've learnt over the last few years. But what we want to get you to is to the predict and create, okay? Really empowering that imagination that you've got. And I think that's all from me. So I hope, come and see me if you have any questions about studying Physics.